As you may be aware, water and diesel are immiscible, so they do not mix. When water or moisture infiltrates your vehicle's fuel system, the results can be highly detrimental, especially for precision-engineered and high-performance automobiles. Water, unlike fuel, does not combust. When it enters the combustion chamber, it interrupts the finely calibrated ignition sequence, leading to erratic engine behavior, misfires, and in many cases, the activation of advanced diagnostic warnings or even limp mode. These issues often culminate in costly repairs, particularly due to the delicate nature of high-end components. In such instances, you may experience difficulty starting the vehicle, or in some cases, a complete failure to start. Beyond immediate performance concerns, the presence of water in the fuel tank or fuel lines promotes oxidation and internal corrosion. This is especially damaging in older models or vehicles not equipped with corrosion-resistant alloys, as components such as injectors, fuel pumps, and tanks become compromised over time. Furthermore, water provides no lubrication. Unlike fuel, it accelerates wear on critical parts like the fuel pump and injectors, ultimately threatening the longevity and reliability of your engine. 9CIRCLE EXT35 offers an excellent solution. This advanced formulation actively absorbs water and moisture from within the fuel system, seamlessly blending it into the diesel for safe and complete combustion. By purging the entire fuel and injection line of unwanted moisture, it protects against misfires, corrosion, wear, and performance degradation, preserving the refinement and reliability your vehicle was engineered to deliver.